Hello, do you know what a pie chart looks like or how to read one? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So this is a pie chart, and a pie chart is like a pie, so a circle, and it's cut up into slices. And this is another form of statistics, so another way to read information. So a pie chart looks like this, and if I said to you which pie, okay, or which parts of the pies sharing the biggest part, it would be this one and this one, because they have the biggest take of that pie, okay? So you can have yellow and red, okay, and they're going to be the biggest ones. But which one has got the smallest slice, so the smallest share of this pie chart? Well done, it's this one here, okay? So this one's the smallest slice, and then secondly, you have this one here. So you could say in first place, you've got these two, and in second place, you've got this one, and in third place, you have this one, okay? So normally on a pie chart, you'd also show percentage of how much of the piece of the pie that's covered, okay? But we don't need to do that today. So this is what a pie chart looks like, and that is common questions on how to read it. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!